నమస్తే. చాలా 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 రోజుల తర్వాత మళ్ళీ వన్స్ అగైన్ బ్యాక్ టు ద వ్లాగింగ్. చాలా 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 రోజుల తర్వాత లిటరల్లీ మ్యాన్, వాట్ టు సే, like this is going to be one of its kind, most awaited vlog, you know, like this is going to be one of the best vlog I will be having, and it's going to be so special for me. Within a few minutes you will get to know, meeku ardham avutadi why it's so special to me. Ee vlog ee roju it is going to be something special to the world of war. So without getting any late, let's cruise it following the Google road maps. Ante galil nunchi తీసుకెళ్తది. I literally don't know the shortcut. Hopefully it is doing the purpose that I need, and we are adding one more a precious thing to our lineup. This is going to be one hell of a memorable day for me. So it's first of its kind of experience for me nagipudu. Like I never had this experience till now, having already two bikes in the garage. We go through these all roads and everything. Finally at 7 we'll be reaching our destination. So already నేను చెప్పేసిన, like we are having another thing in our garage. Before you continue watching, just hang for a minute and guess the thing that we are getting. Guess the model we are getting. You can comment what we are getting within a few moments. వదిలేడరా మొక్కం మీద మొత్తం. Indian roads, especially Hyderabadi roads around the corners are not safe at all. Few more kilometers back in the Royal Enfield showroom. First time experience feel for me. Full set కొంచెం accessories fix అవుతున్నాయి. Just a one simple accessory. You can guess it in the comment section before going forward to this video. Few minutes this is going to get filled. So finally here is our Bear 650. Traffic. There are n number of reasons to choose Bear 650 and we'll let you know. వచ్చింది కదా ఒక వీడియో డెలివరీ, కొన్ని సినిమాటిక్ షాట్స్, కొన్ని షార్ట్స్, బట్ it takes time to understand the full potential of this Bear 650. Until then we'll enjoy the understanding the aerodynamics, understanding the lens, understanding the brakes, mainly understanding the power of an 650. So yeah, Interceptor, Bear 650 lineup lo chala unde to choose. I thought this suits my character correctly. So Bear 650 e bike market lo introduce cheyadaniki, naming it as a Bear 650. దీని వెనకాల లైక్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ అ ర్యాండమ్ నేమ్ టు కీప్ ఇట్. దెర్ ఈస్ అన్ హిస్టరీ నేమింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అ బేర్. దీంట్లో టాప్ ఎండ్ లో దెర్ ఈస్ అన్ లైక్ రేస్ కార్డ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ 249. ఈవెన్ దట్ హ్యాస్ అ స్టోరీ. ఐ విల్ లెట్ యూ నో ఇన్ అ రివ్యూ వ్లాగ్. ప్రాపర్ రివ్యూ చేద్దాం దీన్ని. ఫస్ట్ యూజర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటర్సెప్టర్ Bear 650. సేమ్ 650 లైనప్లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఇంజన్స్ same. I don't know why I'm getting this engine check light. Need to check with that tomorrow. So what next? A ride with Bear 650. I know, peaceful man. Getting a bike from a showroom thing is a really a good experience. That's what every man's wish when he is in the adulthood, getting a bike from the showroom. Already I had two in the fleet. Getting this, oh. అరే ఎక్కడ మనిషివిరా నాయనా, అరే